Morning guys, Tony from Tasmania Mulching. We're down here in Lune River today. So ASV's just warming up, and we've got a lot of bush to get through. Yeah, we're just gonna have a bit of a crack today, get rid of the tea tree. There's lots of grass here, and then hopefully we'll give the owners some more room so they can do some stuff with their property. All right, hope everyone's having a good day. So the ASV's up to temp. I'll just turn on the high flow, get some hot oil into the mulcher.